Okay class, today we will watch a video about the American Civil War, and you all are write down and tell me what you learned about in the video. Yes, Dark Hilda.
Can I please use the bathroom?
Sure, but hurry back. You can come back in time to watch the video so you can write down tell me what you learned in the video.
I can't believe Miss Kate fell for it. I will now pull the fire alarm just to get out of stupid ass history class. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no, you don't.
Oh crap, it's Jenny Wakeman.
That's right. And Dark Hilda, you do not ever pull the fire alarm when there's no fire. You should know that's a serious crime and you can get arrested for doing that.
Hey, what's going on out here? I can hear yelling coming from the hallway.
Well, Miss Kate, I was about to go to my class, but then I saw Dark Hilda trying to pull the fire alarm, but thankfully I stopped her in time.
Really? Dark Hilda, are you serious right now? You tricked me by trying to pull the fire alarm. You should realize pulling the fire alarm when there's no fire can get you arrested.
I'm sorry, Miss Kate. I only tried to pull the fire alarm just to get out of boring history class, and I hate learning about history.
Dark Hilda, that is not excuse to why you tried to pull the fire alarm when there's no fire. And because of you trying to pull the fire alarm when there's no fire, go to the principal's office right now.
Dark Hilda, don't tell me why you're here, because I already heard that you tried to pull the fire alarm just to get out of history class. You should know pulling the fire alarm when there is no fire can get you arrested, and for this, you will be suspended from this school for 2 weeks. And I will call your parents about this.
What? No, Principal Eric, please don't call my parents for what I did. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Dark Hilda, but I have to. It's against the rules.
After Principal Eric got done calling Dark Hilda's parents.
Come with us, Dark Hilda.
You're going to be in deep trouble once we get home.
When Dark Hilda got home.
Dark Hilda, we are so pissed at you, because you tried to pull the fire alarm at school when there is no fire. You should know that you can get arrested for pulling the fire alarm when there is no fire.
But Mom, Dad and Twig,
No buts, you are grounded until the first day of April.
What?